Hey friends, welcome to my channel Explore the Will Dilse. Today I'll show you the best places to visit in Dubai and please watch the full video. So let's start. Dubai, with thousands of hundreds of tourists visiting this Arab city every year, the entertainment city of the world, Dubai needs no introduction. Ultra modern architecture, exotic lively nightlife, magnificent bird eye views of the beautiful skylines. Dubai is synonymous with grandeur and pompous lifestyle. This means that you would be spoiled by choices of tourist places in Dubai on your upcoming Dubai vacation. Dubai in UAE is popular for nightlife scenes, beaches, high-rise buildings, grand shopping malls, luxury hotels, unique museums and zoos, and a lot more. We present to you some of the most happening Dubai tourist places that every traveler must explore. Dubai is an example of what hard work and dedication can do to a city. It has come a long way from being a port to one of the most popular tourist spots in the world. You can witness the numerous places to visit in Dubai on your next vacation. The best time to visit in Dubai is during the winter months from November to March when the weather is pleasant and you can enjoy sightseeing throughout the day. In the summer months, the weather is hot and humid and you must plan your trip in winters. If you want to witness New Year celebration and attend the Dubai Shopping Festival, the duration between December and to mid-February is the perfect time to visit Dubai. If you already visited that place, then please let me know on comment box. The first one is Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa, the landmark building, is on every traveler's list of tourist places to visit in Dubai. The staggering bird eye views from the 124th floor are an experience of a lifetime, with the desert covering one side and the turquoise blue ocean on the other. If you are in Dubai, you cannot miss visiting this place, which finds its position on the list of tourist places in Dubai. The second one is Burj Al Arab. Burj Al Arab tops the list of Dubai tourist places to visit in 2021. It is the fourth tallest hotel in the world and one of the most expensive seven-star hotels in the world, which holds many feats. Al Arab is beautifully lit up in the evening by choreographed lighting and offers a myriad experience of exploring the Dubai attraction, ideal for photographers and extremely affluent ones until you can manage your savings for this one. Next on the list of tourist places in Dubai is the Dubai Fountain. It is one of the most unusual places to visit in Dubai. The Dubai Fountain is the tallest and the most well choreographed fountain in the whole entire world. The fountain reaches over to a height of 900 feet, which is definitely something that makes it one of the best things to witness around in the place. It stands tall in the middle of Burj Lake and has been attracting a flock of a tourist attraction over the course of years. The combination of the nightlife with the rhythmic dance of the water in the fountain adds to the marvelous experience. Altogether, the work and architecture put into this single piece of this fountain will leave you shocked and gobsmacked. The entire structures contain around 6,600 super lights along with 27 color projectors which make up for the overall experience. The song played range from classical to contemporary. The third one is the Atlantis Palm Hotel. It is not surprising at all when people tend to correlate Dubai with luxury. The wide range of multiple star hotels and luxurious resorts to give it that reputation. The Atlantis Palm Hotel is every person's living dream if they can afford the expenses that do come along with it. The majestic seven-star hotel is everything luxury defined as, and probably more. Offer, often also known as the Royal Towers, the fireworks around in the hotel is something that leaves the tourists and the victors in an awe. The hotel is also believed to host some of the most popular A-list Hollywood celebrities. This place finds its place in the list of Dubai tourist places to visit. The next one is Jumeirah Mosque. This mosque in the city of Dubai is known to be the only one which welcomes non-Muslim people. The architecture of this mosque is a treat to the eyes as it is constructed using white stone. The building of this mosque looks stunning both day and night. At once around 1200 people can accommodate in this mosque. The next one is Dubai Frame. Dubai Frame is the latest addition to the magnificent architectural marvels in Dubai and is one of the many tourist places in Dubai. The height and breadth of this massive picture frame is 150-meter and 93-meter respectively, and it showcases the past and future of Dubai using the latest technologies, graphics, and animations. It also houses a skywalk that offers a view of old Dubai and the new advanced Dubai. This place provides a view of everything Dubai has to offer, making it one of the most popular tourist places in Dubai. The last one is Dubai Underwater Zoo. Next on the list of amazing places to visit around in is the Dubai Underwater Zoo. It is located on the ground and level 2 of the famous Dubai Mall and does make up for one of the most sought after tourist destination around the world. It is the world's largest suspending aquarium, which holds around 10 million liters of water. The aquarium is home to over 140 species of aquatic animals and marine life, which does include over 300 species of just sharks and stingrays. It also contains the infamous sand tiger shark. The overall dimension of the aquarium are around 51 meters in length and around 20 meters in width. If I missed any place in Dubai, then please let me know in comment box so that I can add on to my next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe, like, comment, share to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for new videos.